Told you she took a lightning strike. Still holds its shape. You said you wanted bones to build with.
I do. I'm just noting it. Price stays.
Price stays. Cash?
Cash.
All right, she's yours. Keep her on the trolley till you got a holler.
We'll move her tonight. Appreciate it.
Snug. Engine holding steady. Snug.
Copy. Loader 2, tighten under the starboard wing.
Truck, moving. Lock it in. Nice and slow.
Clear ahead. Crane line steady.
Hold formation. Next checkpoint, 30 meters.
Easy, keep her steady.
Rope's tight, nose is drifting a hair to starboard.
Copy. I'm on it.
Gear 3 feet off the deck. Robots, match the drop.
Set her down. Now.
Contact, releasing tension.
Good placement. Lock the clamps and clear the lines.
Hit it again once you're done wiping. Good. Watch the tail. Water's running fast. Copy. Cross brace looks clean. Moving to the tip. Roger. Keep an eye on that rust pocket near the hinge. Already on the list. Okay, let's finish this side, move to the next.
Steam feels smooth, just needs another pass.
Copy that. Primer's ready when you are.
Hold the light steady. Good. That's clean metal now.
Sprayer 2 starting sweep on the aft fin. Got it. Keep clear, folks.
Nice code. Let's check those rivets before
Heading
we
your
move
way
on.
with the clipboard.
Well,
Copy.
Voltage check reads green on my end.
Torque to 60 Newton meters.
Holding.
Module's coming in. Robot 2, ease forward.
Lined up. I'm locking the first bolt now.
Alignment's perfect. Once you finish, run the diagnostic.
On it.
Seam still gapped about half a mil. Need the new panel flush.
Copy. Holding steady. Robot's at 90% grip.
Good. Start your first rivet.
Driving now.
Alignment's true. Keep the pattern moving forward.
Will do. Panel 3's next in queue.
rivet line looks clean. Torque at spec.
Copy that. Bringing the panel in.
Hold steady and seat. Good. Bolted.
Final turn. Locked. Wiring bundles tied off.
Stabilizer upgrade complete. Nice work, everyone.
Engine 1 spool at 20%. Signal green.
Copy that. All crews move to safe line.
Fans climbing. 35, 40.
Ready call?
Ready. Holding at test throttle.
Jet Alpha is live.
Bolt looks solid. Slight rust, but nothing fatal.
Copy that. Cable harness ready on my end.
Setting bracket.
Panel align. Hold still. Good. Locking.
Wire C12 secured. Tablet confirmed.
Nice. Connector latch closed.
Wiring complete for row 12.
Let's move to seat integrity check.
Seam feels even. Rivets are flush.
Copy that. I'm running the gauge green all the way.
Torquing final 3 now.
Hold it steady. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Alignment's clean.
Robot shows a check mark.
Great. Mark it complete.
Already on it.
Looking good. Signal the floor,
Thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up. Moving to the next bird.
Main cable lock. Voltage climbing 27.5.
Copy that. Systems live on my end.
Aux power engaged. We have green across the board.
Running the bus now. Stand by.
Detector's reading stable. Cooling fan spun up.
Panel secure. Power transfer steady at 28.
Good work, everyone.
Torque at 60. Next bolt.
Hydraulic line reading green. Pressure stable.
Copy. Robot, rotate the module 10 degrees. Adapter ready.
On it. Swapping tips now.
Calibration holding at 99.8.
Final scan.
Green across the board. Engine 3 secure.
Good. Let's close her up.
Panel seam looks good. Rivets aligned.
Copy that. Tail hinge torque is in spec.
Clearance zone is green. Moving scaffolds out.
Robot 2, bring the cable forward. Engine fan blades clean. No nicks, no debris.
Final fastener secured. We're clear under the nose.
All teams fall back to safety. Holding steady.
Clear the deck. All clear. All clear.
Robots are backed off. Tools stowed. Guiding starboard. Circle left. Final check green. Launch lane secure. Hover stable. Ready for release. Roger that. Proceed to takeoff.